Welcome to our next class, students. Let's start with chapter number 7, that is rounding numbers. All of you are familiar with rounding numbers and you experienced also in your practical life. Like if you are getting marks 5.5 in the test, teacher is rounding it to 6. All of you are familiar with this. So let's see how we are doing rounding of the numbers. Clear? Children, of this chapter, only first 3 exercises are in syllabus. 7.1 exercise, let's start with it. 7.1 exercise, first question, round the following numbers to nearest 10. You have to round to nearest 10. So what is the procedure for that? I'll tell you. See, I wrote here 46. Now children, all of you are familiar with the place values. This is ones place and this is tens place. Clear children? Now you have to round it to near tens. If you have to round it to near 10, you have to see this value. If you have to round to 100, you have to see tens value. If you have to round to 1000, you have to see which place value? 100 place value. Now in this question, as you have to round it to nearest 10, that means you have to see ones place value. What is ones place value here? 0. It is what? 0. Clear? And 0. If this number is less than 5, then there will not be any change in the number. Clear? And if this value is 5 or more than 5, then it will be rounded to the next number. Don't get confused. See, I have drawn a number line here. What is the number given to us? 46. Children, 46 lies between 40 and 50. I have drawn the number line. Clear? 46 lies between 40 and 50. And in between, you know that what will appear? 45. So, the numbers which are here at the back of 45 will be rounded to 40, and the number which are 45 or after 45 will be rounded to the next number 50. Clear? Now what is the given number? 46. It is after 45, that means it will be rounded to 50. 37. Next number is 37, and 37 lies between 30 and 40. Clear? And in between 35 is there. 37 is after 35, that means this number will round it to 40. Clear? The next number is 48, which is lying between 40 and 50. In between 45 is there. Now where will be 48? It will be after 45. So this number will be rounded to next number, that is what? 50. Now 255, we need to round to tens value. So which value will see? Ones value we have to see, or 255 lies between 250 and 260. 255 is in between this. I told you if it is 5 or more than 5 will be rounded to the next number. Clear? So this will be rounded to which number? 260. 671 will lie between 670 and 680, in between 675. Clear? Now where will be 671? It will be here. Okay, so this will be rounded to this value, that is 670. So children, this is one of the method. Now another method I am going to tell you. Whichever you feel comfortable or easy, you can follow that. K part. This is the given value and you have to round it to nearest 10 value. I told you if you have to round to nearest 10 value, you have to see the number before that. Means ones place you have to see. If you have to round to 100, then which value you have to see? You have to see this value. Now, we are asked to round it to tens, nearest tens. That means I will see ones value. So, what is ones value? 2. If this value is 5 or more than 5, change will be there. If it is less than 5, then there will be no change. Look children, what is this value? 2. Is it less than 5? Yes, I told you in that case, there will be no change. 1 will be as it is, 6 will be as it is, 4 will be as it is, only this place value we will change to 0. Okay. Now the next is round to nearest 10. Which value we have to see? Ones place. What is that? 7. Is 7 greater than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. Now this question change will occur. How? Look here. 8 as it is, 5 as it is. Now as the value is more, we need to change this value also. So in this case, what you will do, you will add 1. If the value is 5 or more than 5, you will add 1 to previous digit. Clear? So 5 will become 5 plus 1 and change it to 0. So this will become 8, 5, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 0. Next is, again we have to round it to nearest tens place. So we have to see ones. What is ones place? 8. Is 8 greater than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. Now change will be there. 1 and 9 as it is. We will add 1 to this digit. So it will become 8 plus 1 and this will be changed to 0. So what is the answer now? 1, 9, 9 and 0. Question number 2. What number could be rounded to 60? Children, it is that which number can be rounded to 60. As this is the case of nearest 10, I have drawn a number line here, beta, and 60 I wrote in center. Take the gap. Okay, tens what will take? 55 and 65 over here. Now see which numbers can be rounded to 60. I told you that if the number is 5, ones place is 5, will be rounded to this. Yes. And if it is less than 65, will be rounded to this nearest 0. We have to round to nearest 0. So what are the possible outcomes? 55, 56, 57, all will come under this, up to 64. 65 will not be taken because that will be rounded to the next value. That will be rounded to 70. So these are the possible outcomes. Next is 780. Draw a number line here. 780 I wrote in center. Take gap of 5, 775, 785. Now which numbers can be rounded to this? 775, 776, 777 up to which number? 784, because 785 will be rounded to the next, that is 790. Now same way children, 1800, which numbers can be rounded? 1795 to 1804. This you can draw the number line and then you can easily find out that which numbers can be rounded off. Now the second exercise, round each of the following number to nearest 100. Now you have to round to nearest 100. So how to do this? See children, this is the given value. So I told you to see the place value. Now you have to round to nearest 100. This is 100th place, ones, tens, 100. So I told you which value you have to round off. You have to see the number before that. Means tens value we have to see. We have to round off to 100. In that case, we'll see the tens value. What is tens value? 3. Is it less than 5? Yes. Then in that case, no change. 1 will remain as it is. We will change both these place values to 0, zeros. Okay. No change means addition will not be there. Next, 182. You can see here. Again, we need to round off to nearest 100. This is 100th place. So we'll see tens place 8. 8 is greater than what? 5. Yes, this is greater. Now change will be there. Now what is the number here? 1. I told you if the number is 5 or more than 5, 1 will be added to the previous digit. At present 1 is here. Add 1 to it. Add it and change both these values to 0. So what is the answer? 200. Next is this value. This is tens place. What it is? 8. Is it greater than 5? Yes. So change will occur. We have to add 1 to the previous digit. So 7 as it is, 5 plus 1 and change both these place values to 0 zeros. Answer is 7600. 756. See the tens place 5. That is equal to 5. I told you 5 or more than 5. Yes, change will occur. We will add 1 to this value. So it will become 7 plus 1 and change both these place values to 0, 0. Answer is 800. Next is this value. We need to round to nearest 100. So we will see tens place, that is 4 less than 5. Now we are not going to change. 1 as it is, 3 as it is, 5 as it is. You can see there is no change and replace both the values with 0, zeros. Second question children. What number could be rounded to 300? So same I told you. You can draw the number line. Keep 300 in center. As the cases of hundreds, what you will take? What will you take here? 300 in the center you can take. here what will you take? 350, and here what will be taken? 250. So what can be rounded off? 250 onwards can be rounded to 350, 49, up to 359. Clear? Same way, 4400 you can take in the center, 4400. So what you will take here? 4450. What will be taken here? 4350. Clear? So from here up till 4449. So this way you can see that you can round off these numbers. Exercise 3, round to nearest 1000. This is the value, children. Now round to nearest 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. You have to round off to this value. Now which place value we have to see? 100th place value. What is that? 8. Is 8 greater than 5? Yes. Now change will occur. We'll add 1 to the next number. It will become 7 plus 1 and replace rest of the places with zeros. This is your answer. Next is this value. This is the 100th place, that is 4 less than 5. No change will be there. See, 3 as it is, 0 as it is I have taken. I did not change it. And replace rest of the place values as 0. E part, 100 place is 5 is equal to 5. Yes, change will be there. We have to add 1 to this digit. So 8 plus 1, replace rest of the values with 0. This is your answer. G part is 7. This is greater than what? 5. So change will be there. We need to add 1 to the next digit and replace all these with zeros. Answer is 7000. In the same way, children, this value is 4, which is less than 5. So no change. 1 as it is, 2 as it is, and replace all these values with 0. Now second question, what number could be rounded to 20,000? So very simple, children. 20,000, what can be rounded? 19,500 to 20,499, because the next will be 20,500 will be rounded to the next value. Clear? This also, draw the number line, clear, and take the values, and then you have to round off. Next is, see, 76,000, one example I will give you. In between 76,000, here what will be taken, tell me? 75,000, what will take? 500. And here what will be taken? 76,000. What to take? 500. So this value will be rounded to this, and here this value will be rounded to the next. But before this, all the numbers will be rounded to 76,000. That means 99, sorry. Up till this value will be rounded over here. With this, your rounding numbers is complete. So revise it properly at home. Thank you.